welcome to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have my BOXYCHARM for September 2021. I almost said November. It's not November, it's September. So as I say in all of my BOXYCHARM videos, this is sent to me free for review. My agreement with them is to just post on Instagram stories, so this YouTube video is not sponsored or anything like that. This is just something I like to do to share with you my thoughts and opinions, and then also what I got in the particular month. So last month was a little bit strange, so if you haven't seen that video yet, basically my original box was stolen, so they resent me a box, and that one was actually a BOXYCHARM Premium. So definitely go check out the video from August if you're interested. It was only posted like a couple of weeks ago because that's when I received it. But this is obviously a base box, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's a base box. It's pink on the inside. I took a little peek because at the back here you can see, anyway, I'm not going to show you because my address is on there. But anyway, this is also very light this month. I forgot to check before I came in here what the FedEx label says, but I'll put the info on the screen here. So basically, since they don't send me the little card or anything, this is $25 per month, 5 full-size products. There's also BOXYCHARM Premium, and then every quarter they have a Boxy Luxe box, which is a slightly more money. I think BOXYCHARM Premium is $35, but don't quote me on that, and I don't know how much Boxy Luxe is. So let me just say that typically BOXYCHARM is more glam makeup or makeup focused. So personally, I'm more into skincare, so we'll see what this box is like. I did take a peek at like the spoilers online so far, and I think this month was a little bit of a balance between skincare and makeup if I'm recalling correctly, but I might be definitely wrong about that. I've just been very busy with my new job, so let me just crack this open. Okay, so I can tell that this is the regular base box because it is pink on the inside, and this is what it looks like. And it looks like my card got a little bit smushed. So it looks like the theme this month is BTS. My guess is behind the scenes, not Bangtanso년단. And then again, there are 5 items, and it says that my box variation number is C21, so 2021-09 September 038/BA. So that is the info there. So let me just go in the order that is on the card. So the first item here is actually the first one in the box, and I am excited because this is skincare. So this is the Glam Glow Youth Mud Glow Stimulating and Exfoliating Treatment Mask. So actually I haven't gotten a mask for a while in BOXYCHARM, so this is kind of exciting that it came now. So let me try to get the plastic wrap off so it's not super crinkly. Okay, so I am back, and this is what the box looks like. It's a huge box. I'm kind of curious how big it is on the inside. Youth Mud exfoliates with volcanic pumice rock to help smooth the appearance of fine lines and visibly soften skin's texture, while natural clays lift impurities without disturbing skin's essential oils. Antioxidants from green tea smooth for more glowing, youthful looking skin instantly, and this has a $60 value, so it's very expensive. So let's see what else it has in here. So it says, meet Youth Mud, the mask that started it all, known as the holy grail in Hollywood for instant camera-ready, super glowing skin. This pro-quality facial in a jar uses a blend of clays, patented T-Oxy green tea leaf technology, and volcanic pumice rock to brighten, soften, and smooth skin in 10 minutes. So it says T-Oxy is green tea leaf. A groundbreaking steeping technology infuses mud with antioxidants from whole tea leaves. Natural clay blend absorbs impurities without disrupting skin's radiance or essential natural oils. Volcanic pumice rock multi-level surface exfoliator smooths out fine lines and softens skin texture to reveal noticeably younger looking skin. So here it says apply a thin even layer, 10 minutes, you should leave it on. Product will tingle, it means it's working. And then remove with water in circular motions to exfoliate. Use twice a week or as desired. Follow with a moisturizer. Tingle, viscosity, color, and leaves may vary. Seal lid tightly. Product may darken and thicken over time. Avoid eye area. And then the rest is in French, but these are the ingredients. And then let me open the box. So it's kind of like a ritzy box, but I feel like it's going to be quite small in here. There's a lot of layers in here of packaging. Yeah, so as I suspected, the product itself is kind of small. So a lot of box packaging for this tiny little thing here. So I mean, personally, I feel like it's kind of a waste, but yeah. So this is what it looks like. It's like a plastic metal container. I don't know, it's plastic, I think. And then it is sealed. Yeah, so it's like fully sealed, so I'm not entirely sure I'm going to use this right away just because I have a couple of other masks open that are mud masks. So I'm going to leave the seal on, but yeah, this seems like it'll be an interesting product, and obviously I like mud masks since I have so many open at the moment. So let me just check that this does not have any yeah, it doesn't have any scents or anything added like fragrance, because the Ernal Laszlo one killed my skin because I think it had way too much fragrance in it. But this does have quite a few like extra oils and extracts and things in it, so definitely take a closer look if you are sensitive to any of the ingredients. Okay, the next product on the list is from Huda Beauty or Huda Beauty. Okay, so this is the Demi Matte Cream Lipstick. And it hydrates lips in highly pigmented lacquer-like sheen with a velvety satin finish, $20 value. So let me open this. What else does this? It has some like weird dust on the inside of the packaging. This is in the shade Day Slayer. Let me find my scissors. Okay, actually it opens like a slider, so it did not need my scissors. Yeah, see, this is weird. Like there's some weird like plastic dust in there. I don't know, it's weird. So this is what it looks like. So it's kind of like a pink nudie color. I think I might actually use this because I don't have any colors like this in my collection, so that's why I'm opening it. It does have a scent though. It kind of smells like coconut, but let me try to show you this. I don't know if I can get this on camera. But that is the color. I'm trying to close it up with one hand. And then let me see why it smells like coconut. Yeah, I'm not entirely sure why it smells like coconut. There's no coconut on here, I don't think. It's very hard to read the ingredients list because they wrote it white on like clearish plastic. Yeah, but I don't think I see any coconut on here. It does have aroma on here. So maybe that's the flavoring that they add is coconut. Yeah, but this is a very nice color, so I'm going to see how it dries throughout the rest of the video. The next item here seems like it might be another skincare item. So this, no, it is not skincare. This is the Georgette Klinger Marula Primer. Blur imperfections and ensure an all-day radiant finish, hydrating and long-wearing. It cushions skin with advanced hyaluronic acid, ensuring a silky smooth makeup application that won't settle into pores, fine lines, or dry areas. A nourishing blend of marula oil and vitamins A, E, F, and B locks in moisture and protects against visible signs of aging. Ideal for all oil and silicone-based formulation formulas. And it has a retail value of $32. So the reason why I thought this might be skincare is because I think a few months back there was a serum in the box that I didn't get, but I was really looking forward to trying. It was like a vitamin C serum, so if you got that, let me know what you thought about it. After cleansing and toning your skin, use clean, dry fingers to apply a light layer of primer to clean skin. Wait 15 to 30 seconds for the product to set before applying foundation and makeup. For best results, use a gentle patting motion to help primer fill in areas with large pores or fine lines. So it is made in the US, and it is cruelty-free, paraben-free, dye-free, and fragrance-free. Yeah, so there are a lot of oils in here. I don't think it'll be in focus because it's very small writing, but that is the ingredients list for you. So I will probably give this a go, and then if it's not sealed, I'll probably, yeah, so it is fully sealed, so I'm not going to be able to show you today just because I don't want to open it because I do have like 4 primers open right now, but this will be probably semi-close to the top of the list to try out next. Okay, the next item here is from a brand I haven't heard of. So this is Pinky Rose Cosmetics, a multi-use makeup base sticks. No, that's not it. Okay, so I grabbed the wrong one. So this is what it is. A cream-based multi-use makeup stick that can be used on the eyelids as an eyeshadow or a primer to your eyeshadow. Can also be used on the bottom lash line, waterline, brow bone, or lips. The perfect duo to be used together or separately. And this has a $20 value, and this is a Boxy exclusive. And let me see. So it has apparently 2 multi-use makeup sticks in here. Pump Up Your Base, Jazz, and Hip Hop. Not entirely sure. It is cruelty-free, and let's enter code MYSTERY for a chance to win a mystery gift on your next purchase with PinkyRoseCosmetics.com. So if you're interested in that. Apply on eyelid bottom. Okay, that says the same. Apply as a pop of color. Use as a primer base. Add your favorite eyeshadow on top of base. Then boom, you will see a bold, vibrant application. So I'm not entirely sure where this is made. They don't have any info. It just says created and distributed by. So yeah, I'm a little bit curious why it doesn't have the origins on here. But this is what they look like. I think I saw these in a couple of the posts that BOXYCHARM reposted. I thought that they were Kat Von D, to be honest, but I think it's just the font. So let me just show you this. So it looks like it's kind of like a bronze metallic kind of color, and this one is Jazz. It does not have a scent that I can smell, at least. And this one is Hip Hop, and this one looks like it should be lighter. Yeah, so this one is lighter. It's like an eggshell metallic color. So I'm not entirely sure I'm going to keep these. So I'm not going to swatch them right now just because I'm not entirely sure what I'm supposed to do with them. And you know me, I'm a very minimalist sort of makeup wearer. So I'll have to research a little bit harder to see, and probably try to watch some of the makeup artists that receive the box if they get this item this month, just to see what they do with it. The final product here is the one that I thought was that pinky rose. This is insert name here, Quick Slick Hair Essence. And this is what it looks like. So this is Quick Slick is designed to quickly and easily touch up your hair. No alcohol, safe for sensitive scalps. Non-irritating, non-flaking essence to slick and smooth your baby hairs and flyaways with a light peach scent. $22 value. So actually I'm kind of excited by this because if you don't know, I have a lot of baby hairs. And then also, since I had a lot of hair fall because of the growth cycle of my hair, it is growing in and they're kind of like sticking straight up. So instructions: starting at the roots, brush your flyaways and baby hair down, sleek hair everywhere, throw into your bag for easy touch-ups and no flakes ever. So let's see, it does have the aroma, which is probably that peach scent. It's the last item on the list. I would show you, but this is like super hard to read even not on camera. So let's see what else is here. Cruelty-free, vegan, sulfate-free. This one also doesn't say where it was made. Oh yeah, here it is. So this one was made in the PRC, so People's Republic of China. I feel like I read about this brand because I thought they had some sort of a scandal in the summer. So I'm actually going to use this, so I'm going to take off the wrapper, but it does come sealed, so if you do purchase this anywhere, just make sure it has like the proper seal. Let me open it. It has like a perforated seal here. So this is what it looks like. Let me see if my flyaways, yeah, I have a lot of flyaways. So let me just see if I can try to apply this. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if I can do this. I don't have a mirror, I'm only using my monitor. Oh, this is like against my, hold on, I'll go grab a mirror. Okay, I am back with a mirror. I found it behind me on my shelf. Oh, that is the wrong side. That was like way too close for comfort. So let me try to put it on. I don't have a good setup here, so I don't know how to do this. So let me try, and now it's like, okay. Starting at the roots. Wow, that was messy. I feel like this will take me a little bit of time to figure it out because I haven't used a product like this before. So it's like a lot of pressure to try to put it on camera. Okay. So it does have a peach scent. I can definitely smell it. So I'm supposed to smooth it down. I mean, I think it worked somewhat, but I also didn't put it on properly because I only have one hand. Okay, so I think it did work. So I actually put in some other product this morning to try to tame my flyaways because like the middle ones are like sticking straight up. So I think that this will work. I just need to have two hands to put it on. And I was trying to use a mirror and it just wasn't working. So I'm going to check back in with the Huda Beauty product. So it is still shiny. So I'm wondering if it's kind of wet still. So it's been about 10 minutes. Yeah, so it's still very smudgy. Yeah. Anyway, so that was just like one layer of application. So I don't know. It is what it is, I guess. Let me see if I can put it on. Yeah, that was a mistake. I should not have done that. Okay, so anyway, that was everything in my BOXYCHARM today. Wow, that was a mistake because I wanted to show you everything. So in my BOXYCHARM, I received these Pinky Rose Cosmetics multi-use makeup sticks. I might use them, I might not. I still don't know why it doesn't say where it was made. Seems, oh, okay, it does say it in here. So after the may contain, it was made in PRC, so China. And then this is the Glam Glow Youth Mud, Glam Glow Youth Mud Mask. So I will definitely be using this. This is made in USA. The Quick Slick, and this one was made in PRC, and this is our insert name here. I will definitely continue trying to use this, try to figure it out, because flyaways are just my general issue. And let's see, the Georgette Clinger, and this one is the Marula Primer, and this was made in USA. And the final product is this Huda Beauty product, and this one, and then this one is made in Italy, if you're keeping track about that. This is the Day Slayer shade. So that was everything I got in my BOXYCHARM this month. Let me know what you think below. Personally, I think that this one was actually pretty good for my style of makeup and everything, just because it was a good mix of skincare, and then also like the primer I think is like skincare and makeup combined, and then also the hair care product wasn't something that I will not be using because they keep sending some things that I don't think really fit my lifestyle, and then my hair type, etc. And then the lip product wasn't super crazy color, so I'm quite happy with that, but I just wish it would have dried down a little bit, but maybe it was just like user error, I don't know. But it is a nice color, I just need to figure out how to use it properly. So that was everything. Let me know below what you think of my box this month. If you are interested in unboxings, definitely consider subscribing. I do have quite a few other videos coming out. I filmed them, I just haven't edited them yet because my new job has been a little bit crazy, trying to get used to it and trying to juggle everything. So yeah, I have those coming out, and then I'm also working on some vlog content, so leave a comment below if you are enjoying my vlog series. If you want them to be longer, shorter, I don't know, just let me know. It's just a regular 30-something person living in New York City, what they do, what they don't do, etc., etc. It's just a very realistic look at life in New York. So leave a comment below if you have any other questions or anything you'd like to see on this channel, and I will see you again soon. Bye.